Are you searching for the best IPTV Canada service in 2026? In this video, we'll explain what Canadian viewers should check before choosing an IPTV subscription and introduce 3 providers to research: IPTV-Firestick.store, IPTV with 4K.store, and Prime IPTV.store. A suitable service should provide the Canadian, English language, French language, sports, news, movie, and entertainment content you want. It should also work reliably on your preferred streaming device. However, a large channel list does not automatically guarantee a good viewing experience. Stability, picture quality, device compatibility, and customer assistance are equally important. Stay until the end because we'll also explain how to test a service, install your subscription, and reduce common buffering problems. Remember to use only services that are legally authorized to distribute the content available in Canada.
Before choosing an IPTV service, start by checking the content selection. Canada has both English-speaking and French-speaking audiences, so confirm that the provider offers the languages and regional categories you need. Check the availability of Canadian news, entertainment, sports, children's programming, movies, and series. If you enjoy live sports, test the service during a popular event. A playlist may work perfectly during quiet hours, but become less stable when many viewers connect simultaneously. Picture quality is another important factor. Providers may advertise HD, Full HD, or 4K streams, but the actual resolution can vary between channels. Your television, application, internet connection, and the original source will also affect the final result. You should also verify whether the subscription works with Fire TV Stick, Android TV, smart TVs, smartphones, computers, Chromecast, or your preferred IPTV box. Finally, check the number of connections included. A single connection subscription should not normally be used on multiple devices simultaneously.
Let's now look at the 3 providers featured in this comparison. Our first option is IPTV-Firestick.store. As the name suggests, it may appeal to viewers using an Amazon Fire TV stick. Before subscribing, confirm which IPTV players are supported and whether the same account can also be used on Android TV, Smart TV, smartphone, or computer. The second option is IPTV with 4K.store. This provider may interest Canadian viewers who prioritize higher picture quality. However, remember that a 4K label does not guarantee native 4K resolution on every channel. During a test, compare live television, sports, movies, and series. Check whether the image remains stable and clear on your own internet connection. Our third option is Prime-IPTV.store. When researching this service, examine its Canadian content, international categories, on-demand catalog, program guide, device compatibility, and customer assistance. These providers are presented as options to investigate and compare, not as a guaranteed ranking. Prices, content, availability, and performance may change over time. After choosing a compatible service, the provider will normally send you an M3U link or Xtream Codes login information. Xtream Codes details usually include a server address, username, and password. Open a compatible IPTV player, select the option to add a new user, and enter each detail carefully. Once the playlist loads, test several channel categories. Check live television, movies, series, subtitles, and the electronic program guide. For HD streaming, a stable internet speed of at least 10 to 15 megabits per second is generally recommended. Higher resolution streams may require a faster connection. If you experience buffering, begin by testing another channel. This will show whether the issue affects one stream or the entire service. Restart your router and IPTV application, close background downloads, and move the streaming device closer to the router. Use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or an Ethernet connection whenever possible. In Canada, internet providers may offer different speeds and network conditions depending on the region. For this reason, always test the service using the same connection and device you plan to use regularly.
So, which IPTV Canada service should you choose in 2026? IPTV-Firestick.store may be an option to research if you want compatibility with popular streaming devices, particularly the Fire TV Stick. IPTV with 4K.store could interest viewers who prioritize higher quality streams, provided the channels perform well during a personal test. Prime-IPTV.store represents another option to compare based on its Canadian content, video-on-demand selection, application compatibility, and customer support. The right choice depends on your preferred language, channels, sports, region, budget, device, and internet connection. Do not choose a service only because it advertises thousands of channels. Prioritize the programs you actually watch, stable performance, clear subscription conditions, and responsive customer assistance. Request a test whenever possible, and avoid purchasing a long subscription until you have checked the service yourself. Most importantly, confirm that the provider is authorized to distribute its content in Canada and respect all applicable copyright laws. If this video helped you compare IPTV services in Canada, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. Tell us in the comments which device you currently use for streaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.